Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. And hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Mbuyseni Ndlozi. The EFF Member of Parliament Mbuyseni Ndlozi has taken aim at the ANC for allegedly wanting to hand out rotten, abandoned and state-owned land to citizens. This comes after the EFF rejected the constitutional amendment bill which seeks to allow for land expropriation without compensation. Opposition political parties voted against it for different reasons. The ANC needed 267 votes to pass the bill into a law, but only managed to get 204. Ndlozi said his party rejected the bill because of the offer made by the ANC, claiming it was unreasonable. He tweeted, "When asked what constitutes certain circumstances, ANC says abandoned land, state land and rotten land. Who wants rotten land? Abandoned land is already state land. Abandoned land is already state land and it can already be distributed for free housing." In short, ANC didn't want to tamper with BUA's and WMC stolen land. ANC wants expropriation of land without compensation only in certain circumstances. EFF wants expropriation of land without compensation, period. ANC thinks we are fools. The circumstances option means prime land will never be given to black people without compensation. Mbuyseni also claimed that ANC is an enemy of total decolonization and not a liberation movement. He said, "Have no superstitions about ANC, no sentimental attachments whatsoever. You are not a liberation movement if you don't take back the land. Liberation was about the land, not in certain circumstances, but in all circumstances," he wrote on Twitter. In essence, ANC wanted to amend the constitution to only expropriate rotten, abandoned or state-owned land without compensation. No, EFF wanted an amendment that empowers the democratic state to take land from Rupert and Oppenheimer, in brackets, prime land, without compensation. Mbuyseni is definitely spitting fire. What are your thoughts on this one, people? Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more